Today, we're delving deep into a subject that often mystifies many, the art of making women genuinely captivated by you. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore these 11 foolproof ways to make women obsess over you. 1. Know and value yourself. Let's kick things off with the foundation, self-awareness and self-worth. It's crucial to be a man who not only knows but also values himself. Confidence stems from embracing your uniqueness and being proud of who you are. This self-assured attitude naturally attracts others. 2. Show affection and attention. Moving on to the relational realm, express your affection and attention. It's the little things that count, checking in, remembering details, and surprising her with thoughtful gestures. This not only shows you care but also creates a sense of security and emotional connection. 3. Effective communication. Communication is the lifeline of any successful relationship. Be an active listener, articulate your thoughts clearly, and make her feel heard. A meaningful conversation fosters understanding and strengthens the bond between you two. 4. Display independence. Independence is an attractive quality. While being part of a relationship is wonderful, maintaining a life outside of it is equally important. Have your own interests, pursuits, and hobbies. It adds depth to your character and keeps things interesting. 5. Be a humorous companion. Laughter truly is the best medicine, even for matters of the heart. Be the guy who can make her laugh. A good sense of humor not only lightens the mood but also makes you a delightful and enjoyable companion. 6. Confidence without arrogance. Confidence is magnetic, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Strive for self-assuredness without diminishing others. Confidence paired with humility is an irresistible combination. 7. Build emotional intimacy. To truly capture her heart, focus on building emotional intimacy. Open up about your experiences and feelings. Creating a safe space for vulnerability establishes a deep connection and makes her feel cherished. 8. Romantic gestures. Enter the realm of romance with thoughtful gestures. Plan unique dates, surprise her with tokens of affection, and express your feelings in heartfelt ways. These gestures create lasting memories and reinforce the special bond you share. 9. Keep growing and learning. Evolve and grow as an individual. Women are drawn to men with ambition and a passion for self-improvement. Set goals, embrace new challenges, and showcase your dedication to personal development. 10. Be a good listener. The art of being a good listener cannot be overstated. Show genuine interest when she speaks, actively engage in conversations, and make her feel valued. This fosters a deep sense of connection and mutual understanding. 11. Maintain your appearance. Lastly, pay attention to your physical presentation. Grooming and maintaining your appearance may seem simple, but they convey a message of self-respect and consideration for those around you. Conclusion. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to making women obsess over you. Remember, the key is authenticity. Approach your relationships with love, respect, and a genuine desire to connect. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more insightful content. Until next time, keep mastering the art of attraction and stay amazing.